डॉक्टर तुमचे डॉक्टर सर आहात न्ही रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर तांच्यांनी स्ट्रायक केल्लो म्हणल्यार प्रोटेस्टाक बसलेले ते सो आतांची जीएमसी सद्याची कितें आहा तेंची प्रोटेस्ट तेंचो कंटिन्यू आसा काय तेंच्यांनी एंड केलो?
As per the letter I received in the morning, they have said they are continuing with the strike. That is the routine services they said they will not do, and they also said that they continue to do emergency services. So as of today they are on strike, and they are supporting the national body. And in fact they have said they are waiting for the decision of the Honorable High Court. So that is the status.
Okay, so केन्ना पर्यंत कंटिन्यू उरतले डॉक्टर हे काय अजून कितें सांगूंक ना?
No, as of now they have given me a notice of today only.
Today. Okay. So कितें इफेक्ट पडचो ना जीएमसीचेर न्ही पेशंटांक बी?
No, emergency life saving services are on, no, so there is no problem.
Okay.
Okay.